Callao, the Pacific's gateway to South America. South America's Pacific coastline features the port of Callao as a key link in the logistics chain for the country's foreign trade, serving a port industry made up of the world's leading shipping lines, local and international companies involved in exports and imports, logistics services, and institutions that facilitate shipping and cargo traffic. Peru's solid and growing economy earned an investment grade rating from international ratings agencies due to the country's social and economic achievements. This has made Peru an attractive country for international investors who are spending on modern infrastructure and cutting-edge technology with an eye on the country's sustained growth. Thanks to global development and private and public investment, we're seeing a new era of major economic growth in Peru. New markets are opening up for Peru after the country signed free trade agreements with the world's most developed nations. This has increased opportunities for business and spurred demand for port services. The continuous increase in cargo traffic registered in recent years is being efficiently attended at the port of Callao, which accounts for 80% of port shipments carried out by the Empresa Nacional de Puertos del Perú. The Port Authority shifts more than 17 million metric tons of cargo annually, which are carried by over 2,600 ships. The coast where the port of Callao is located provides excellent natural and climatic conditions for port activities. The port covers an ample area of 60 hectares and a large maritime area protected by a breakwater with enough depth to moor large ships. This facilitates operations in Callao, Peru's largest port, and the biggest container cargo handler on South America's Pacific coast. It ranks among the world's top 100 ports, handling over 1.1 million TEUs a year, with a tendency to continue growing thanks to projected investment. Its privileged geostrategic location in the Pacific Basin and the advantages of its services enabled it to handle 87% of transshipment cargo in the region, an indicator that underscores the consolidation of Callao as the hub of South America's west coast. The versatility of cargo services and ships at Callao's northern pier qualifies it to receive different types of international cargo received at piers and direct mooring docks for different types of ships. Post-Panamax at the Muelle Sur and Muelle Norte piers, which have gantry and hoisting cranes for geared ships, and roll-on, roll-off containers for unloading vehicles, as well as tanker ships for unloading liquids and fuels. In the summer, modern cruise liners dock here, attracted by Peru's tourist destinations. The port of Callao has advantages in overland and air connections, with proximity to Jorge Chávez International Airport and access to the country's main highways. Construction is currently underway on a ring road that will make entry and exit of merchandise to and from the port more fluid. Callao's competitiveness and efficiency are based on a commercial policy comparable to other international ports, centered on the participation of specialized personnel, technological systems, and 24-hour-a-day, 365-day-a-year service. Callao's safety has been certified according to the International Maritime Organization's International Code for Protection of Ships and Port Installations and the Business Alliance Code for Safe Trade. Callao through 2021. Callao aims to increase international cargo to 45 million metric tons, with annual movement of 4 million TEU containers by 2021. This goal is directly linked to the construction of roads set out by the South American Regional Infrastructure Integration Initiative, or IRSA, Peru is taking part in 3 of these initiatives, integrating road transport with the Pacific coast. Brazil's growing trade with Asian countries justifies Peru's investment in the interoceanic highways that form part of the Port Investment Plan, featuring Cajal's multi-purpose North Terminal. This was conceived to increase port services availability, together with those provided by the Southern Pier, recently built by concessionaire Dubai Ports World. With this vision for the development of its ports, Empresa Nacional de Puertos will take part in the plan for promotion of private investment by taking on a strategic partner that sees ENAPU S.A. as an excellent business opportunity as an ongoing enterprise, generating healthy profits and complying with its social role in synergy with other stakeholders in production and foreign trade. Its strategic location on the continent will without a doubt consolidate the Port of Callao as the hub of South America's West Coast.